Hello kids! Welcome back to HappyToons. Today, let's learn about the letter F. The letter F says like in fish. To make the sound, start by placing your top teeth lightly on your bottom lip. Then, push air out through your mouth while keeping your teeth and lip in place. Now, say the sound F. You can stretch out the sound like this F. Say the word fan slowly and listen to the sound of the letter F at the beginning. Practice saying FF fan and notice how your teeth and lip feel when you make that sound. The F sound can also be heard at the end of words like leaf, shelf, and beef. This is uppercase F, big F. And this is lowercase f, small f. Are you ready to trace the letter F? Let's learn how to write big F and small f. Grab your finger or pencil. Let's start tracing. Let's learn some words that start with the letter F. F-I-S-H, fish. F-A-N, fan. F-R-O-G, frog. F-O-X, fox. F-I-R-E, fire. It's quiz time, friends. Let's see what starts with the letter F. Are you ready? Let's play and learn together. What starts with F? What starts with F? It's time for a counting game. Can you count how many big F's and small f's you see? Look closely and count with me. Let's find all the F's. Ready, set, go. Awesome job, friends! Today we learned the letter F, its sound, fun words, and how to trace it too. Keep practicing and learning every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HappyToons for more fun videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.